Okay, this is a real quick snapshot at how to apply to graduate or how to apply to get your certificates on your transcript. It's the same thing. So if you go to the Front Range home screen, then go to Graduation and Beyond, and then go to Graduation. And here then you want to scroll down and go to Complete an Application. So first of all, it says make sure that you've checked and that you qualify, and you can do that through degree check, through that what if function. And then April 1st is your deadline for this spring graduation. So if you want a certificate, if you already qualify for one, you need to do that by Wednesday of this week. So then click Application and start going through it. One thing to note here that makes me a little bit cautious. If you're using financial aid, check with a financial aid advisor about finishing your program. If you have declared, if your intent at Front Range is a certificate and you complete your certificate, then financial aid may no longer apply for you. And so you want to make sure that you know what you've declared. I recommend declaring a degree over a certificate, because if you declare the degree, it allows you to take more courses and still receive work study aid or financial aid. And who would know to ask those questions, right? So ask your financial aid advisor if there's any limitations with you declaring one thing over the other. If you've declared an AAS, for example, and you go here and you graduate with your certificate, that should not affect your financial aid, as far as I'm aware. But you can check if you want. I just can't see how it would. If you have only declared the certificate and you say you're done, that might affect your financial aid. So just check that out. Okay, so you just come in here and you click through, read through your stuff here, click Next, and then fill this out. It should take you like less than a minute. It's super fast. It's actually one of the most intuitive things that Front Range offers. So that's great. So when you finish that up, it won't let me keep going without that. When you finish it up, that's all you need to do. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. So go through and apply for certificates every semester, please.